Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday 23 November 2025. Today I in Gubuk Marwati, and this morning there view there is view is Mount Arjuna. Look at that. And rice field, corn, and others. It's a tanda, place of camp, and that's the clear river. Woohoo! Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.